I can quote a verse on Sunday and drift by Monday night. If loving like Jesus was a road, I'm still learning how to drive. But I see that hill where mercy hung, the nails, the blood, the rising sun. And I just pray I learn to be as loving as he is for me. If I could love like that cross, arms open wide, forgive when it hurts and swallow my pride. Hold the lost even when they're gone too far. Bleed a little grace instead of scars. If I could give what I don't got, pour my heart out.